Welcome to the world of Tui Na, an ancient healing art that is a pillar of traditional Chinese medicine, restoring balance and relieving pain through skilled bodywork. I'm Doc Smith, certified medical Qigong practitioner, and my passion is helping people feel their best, naturally. Through my Tui Na training program, I have trained doctors, practitioners, and lay people to master a simple, powerful method. My hands-on approach empowers you to help others heal, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. From immersive workshops and retreats to in-depth online videos, my training program equips you with the skills to transform lives through bodywork. Every technique is designed to unlock the body's natural healing potential. Are you ready to learn the art of Tui Na and make a difference in your community? Visit healingisfree.com for my workshops, retreats, and online videos. Start your journey to healing today. Healing is free, not easy.